So let's continue editing our homepage, and I show you some little trick on how you can have writing when you hover. So we're going to take a heading. You see that text is black once again. So we first center it. Maybe we quickly go to the style and we change to what we want. So the text color, I don't want it to be straight white this time. I go for white with a little bit of a grayish color. And we're gonna choose size 18. And we choose all uppercase. And we choose letter spacing of 5. So you see the letters are a little bit further apart from each other. So now that we can read better what we've just done, we go back to content. And I'm just gonna copy and paste this online summit writing. And you will see when we hover, it's gonna come up with this window explaining what an online summit is. So if we go away from there, so now if we hover, we can see it. So now what we want to do is, this doesn't work on a cell phone because obviously you can't hover. So for cell phones, it's got to be different. So we take that text that comes up when we are hovering, we copy it, and we use this text field that is already there. We insert it. On the text, we can see that there's no code connected with it, which is brilliant. And now we go to style. We want it first of all to be centered. And now we go under advanced and we go to responsive. And under responsive, we say we are hiding this on the desktop. So anybody working on their desktop won't be able to read this line. They can hover and then they see the little pop-up window, or the lightbox it is called, coming up. But on your cell phone, instead of hovering, you're going to be able to read this text. And it's going to be centered and not to the left.